Hey, this is Ryan at Anatom Geomobile Solutions, and I just want to take a few minutes here to walk you through the Bluetooth pairing setup for your new EOS Aero Gold or Aero 200 or Aero 100 high accuracy GNSS receiver, and how to Bluetooth pair that to your iOS device, and then how to make sure that Esri's Collector app is utilizing that GNSS receiver for its locational providing services. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go into our system settings. And while I'm going into system settings, I'm going to power on my Aero Gold receiver. All right, so that's booting up. We'll turn on Bluetooth. And we'll very quickly see this Aero Gold pop up as one of our devices. There it is. Aero Gold GNSS 1909 2529. That numeric code there is in reference to the serial number on this unit, which you can find on the back of the device itself. So we select that, and we are connected. Okay. Now our iOS device is Bluetooth connected to the receiver. So now we're going to go into Esri's Collector app, and we're going to go up to the little blue profile dude in the top left corner. And we'll scroll down here to location and provider, and we see integrated currently selected. We'll tap on that. What this is telling us is that Collector is using the integrated GPS antenna of the iPad. But since we're connected to a high accuracy GNSS receiver, that doesn't make a lot of sense for us. So we're going to add a new provider. There's our EOS positioning system. There's our 19092529. We're going to add that. Now it's asking for our antenna height. And this is particularly important if we're interested in collecting accurate X, Y, and Z value data. So I'm going to be using this gold today on a 2-meter carbon fiber range pole. I'm going to be using the standard gold antenna, and I know that configuration, the phase center height of that antenna is 2.03 meters off the ground. So 2.03. And if you're not using this configuration, say you're using a survey antenna, say you're using a slightly different range pole, say you're using a 2-meter carbon fiber range pole with Anatom's quick release disconnect antenna connection, obviously we're going to have different antenna heights. Refer to AGS, refer to Anatom Geomobile Solutions at agsgis.com. We have data posted on our website about different antenna heights for different configurations. So reference the site, and you can find out your antenna height pretty quickly without trying to measure it in the field. So basically what we're doing by punching in this antenna height is we're telling the software that when you collect that Z value data, that you want to apply an additional 2.03 meters to that height, because you're collecting it at the phase center height of the antenna. But we don't really care about the phase center height of the antenna as much as we care about what the actual ground elevation is. So we're saying we know the antenna height, therefore that can be applied when we're calculating orthometric heights. So we've got that punched in, then we select done. Okay, now we see it as one of our locational providers, but it's important we make sure we have that blue checkbox selected next to it. We get that blue checkbox selected to it. Now the EOS systems, our Aero Gold is our location provider, and we're good to go. Similar to the iOS side, once we've got this location provider established in Collector, this remains. So, we go out next week or in a month or in 6 months, whatever it is, we go into our profile, we will see this already preloaded. We just hit tap, make sure we've got that blue checkbox, and we're off to the races. So that's how you Bluetooth set up your new Aero receiver, and how you make sure that Esri's Collector app is utilizing that high accuracy locational data from that receiver. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to Anatom Geomobile Solutions. Our website is agsgis.com. Thanks again. Have a great day.